Welcome, stockteller. The electric vehicle revolution promises a future of clean, sustainable transportation, but it's often held back by the limitations of today's lithium-ion batteries in range, charging speed, and safety. For decades, scientists have been chasing a holy grail solution, the all-solid-state battery, a battery that is safer, lighter, and more powerful. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Solid Power, ticker SLDP, a company that has positioned itself as a key player in this technological race. Their tale is about a unique and clever strategy to win the battery wars. Spun out of university research and backed early on by automotive giants like Ford and BMW, Solid Power has spent over a decade developing its proprietary solid-state battery technology. What makes Solid Power's strategy so interesting is what they've chosen not to do. Instead of trying to compete with behemoths like Panasonic and LG in the incredibly expensive business of building massive gigafactories, Solid Power is pursuing an arms dealer model. Their core focus is not on manufacturing the final battery cell, but on producing the single most critical, enabling component, the solid electrolyte. Their business model is to sell this material to major manufacturers, who can then use their existing factories to produce the final solid-state batteries. So, what makes a solid-state battery so special? A traditional lithium-ion battery uses a flammable liquid electrolyte. A solid-state battery, as the name implies, replaces this with a solid, stable material. This has three game-changing benefits. First, safety. Eliminating the flammable liquid dramatically reduces the risk of battery fires. Second, energy density. A solid electrolyte allows for the use of more advanced materials, which could mean EVs with much longer range. And third, fast charging. Solid-state batteries have the potential to charge much faster. The promise is immense, but the risks are just as large. First, the science is incredibly difficult. Manufacturing a solid electrolyte at scale, with perfect quality, is something no company has ever done profitably. Second, the timeline is long. Solid Power is still in the development and sampling stage. Significant commercial volumes are not likely until later this decade. Third, competition is absolutely fierce. And finally, while the company does generate revenue from development contracts, it has a significant cash burn as it works to reach mass production. This leaves Solid Power at a critical juncture. They have a unique arms dealer strategy, strong partnerships, and generate some revenue. However, they have not yet proven they can manufacture their materials at a profitable mass market scale, and the road to commercialization is long and filled with risk. The tale of Solid Power is the ultimate high-risk, high-reward story. What do you think is the key to winning the battery race? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy these deep dives, consider supporting the channel with a coffee on Ko-Fi. Remember, this is not financial advice.